Humanoid robots just crossed a line nobody expected this fast. In China, robots are stitching fabric by hand. In America, they're having conversations and running factories. 2026 isn't the future anymore, it's happening right now. Here are 10 humanoid robots you need to see. 10. Sony Humanoid Robot: The Entertainment Revolution. Sony just entered the humanoid race with a robot nobody saw coming. And it's built for entertainment, not factories. While competitors focus on industrial applications, Sony leveraged decades of experience from Vbot Robot Dogs and entertainment robotics to create a humanoid designed for human interaction at scale. The Sony humanoid stands approximately 5 feet 3 inches tall with a sleek, minimalist design featuring smooth white surfaces and subtle LED accents. It's built around Sony's advanced sensor fusion technology, combining high-resolution cameras, LiDAR, and proprietary motion tracking. What sets this robot apart is emotional intelligence. Using Sony's AI emotion recognition engine, developed for gaming and entertainment applications, it reads facial expressions, vocal tones, and body language in real time, adjusting responses to match human emotional states. The robot features 32 degrees of freedom, allowing fluid, natural movements that feel less mechanical than traditional humanoids. Sony's motion capture expertise, honed through decades of film and gaming work, translates into incredibly lifelike gestures. For audio, Sony integrated spatial sound technology, creating 360-degree awareness of sound sources. The robot can identify who's speaking in a crowded room, track multiple conversations simultaneously, and respond with directional audio output. Battery life runs approximately 6 hours of continuous operation with fast charging capability, reaching 80% in under 90 minutes. Applications focus on hospitality, entertainment venues, and customer service. Sony envisions deployment in hotels, theme parks, museums, and retail environments where engaging human interaction matters more than heavy lifting. Pricing hasn't been announced, but industry speculation suggests $50,000, $80,000 targeting commercial buyers first before potential consumer versions. Sony's entry signals that humanoid robots aren't just about replacing factory workers, they're about creating entirely new categories of human-machine interaction. 9. T800 Humanoid Robot, China's industrial powerhouse. The T800 from Chinese manufacturer Vbot Robotics looks like it walked straight out of science fiction, and its capabilities match the aesthetic. Standing 5 feet 9 inches tall and weighing 143 pounds, the T800 is built specifically for industrial environments requiring both strength and precision. The robot features 44 degrees of freedom with hydraulic-electric hybrid actuators delivering up to 50 kilogram lifting capacity per arm. This hybrid system combines the power of hydraulics with the precision of electric motors. What makes T800 particularly impressive is its vision system. 6 RGB cameras plus 4 depth sensors provide 360-degree environmental awareness with millimeter-level precision in positioning and object recognition. The AI system runs on domestically produced Chinese chips, achieving 30 TOPS of computing power, enough for real-time decision-making without cloud connectivity. Vbot Robotics demonstrated the T800 performing complex assembly tasks at automotive plants, including precise bolt tightening, component alignment, and quality inspection that previously required skilled human workers. Battery endurance reaches 8 hours of continuous operation with hot swappable battery packs, allowing 24/7 production without downtime. The robot operates in temperatures from 10°C to 45°C and carries IP54 dust and water resistance, making it viable for challenging industrial environments. Early deployment sites include factories for Great Wall Motors and several electronics manufacturers in Guangdong Province. Pricing starts around $35,000 for base units, with volume discounts for manufacturers ordering 10+ units. The T800 represents China's push toward domestic robotics self-sufficiency, building capable humanoids without relying on foreign technology or components. 8. XPeng Humanoid Robot: The Ameca's surprise entry. XPeng, the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, shocked the robotics world by unveiling its own humanoid robot designed specifically for EV manufacturing and vehicle service applications. Standing 5 feet 7 inches tall, the XPeng humanoid integrates technology directly from the company's autonomous driving stack, essentially treating the robot as a car without wheels. The robot uses XPeng's XPeng Jeep visual intelligence system, the same perception technology powering their autonomous vehicles, giving it exceptional spatial awareness and navigation capabilities in dynamic environments. With 52 degrees of freedom and dual-arm coordination, it performs tasks like installing interior components, running diagnostic cables, and conducting pre-delivery vehicle inspections. What's unique? The robot leverages XPeng's massive autonomous driving dataset. Millions of hours of real-world driving data trained the perception models, giving the humanoid robust understanding of human behavior patterns and environmental uncertainty. The hands feature 6-axis force torque sensors in each finger, enabling delicate manipulation, precise enough to plug in charging cables or handle touchscreen interfaces without damage. Battery technology comes directly from XPeng's EV division, 15 kW capacity delivering 10-12 hours of operation with the same fast charging capability as their vehicles, 80% charge in 30 minutes. XPeng deployed initial units in their Guangzhou manufacturing facility, where robots now handle final assembly checks, interior installation, and quality control previously requiring human workers. The company plans to sell humanoids externally by Q3 2026, targeting automotive and logistics sectors first. Estimated pricing: $40,000, $55,000 depending on configuration. XPeng's entry proves that EV makers aren't just building cars, they're building the robots that will build the cars. 7. Ameca humanoid robot, the most expressive face in robotics. Ameca by Engineered Arts remains the world's most advanced humanoid for realistic human-robot interaction. And the 2026 version just got significantly more capable. What makes Ameca special isn't strength or speed, it's the face. With 52 individual facial actuators, Ameca produces expressions indistinguishable from human emotion, surprise, confusion, joy, concern, skepticism. The latest version adds full body mobility. Previous versions were stationary from the waist down. The 2026 model walks at speeds up to 3 mph with dynamic balance, capable of handling uneven surfaces and obstacles. Ameca runs on GPT-4 integration, plus Engineered Arts' proprietary Tritium operating system, managing everything from facial micro-expressions to conversational timing. The robot speaks 43 languages fluently with culturally appropriate gestures and expressions for each language. Understanding that communication involves far more than words. Vision systems include binocular cameras in the eyes, providing depth perception, facial recognition identifying individuals and reading their emotional states, and 360-degree awareness through body-mounted sensors. Applications focus on entertainment, education, and high-end customer service. Ameca units are deployed at museums, corporate events, research institutions, and as brand ambassadors. The robot can impersonate celebrity voices, tell jokes with perfect comedic timing, and engage in philosophical conversations that feel surprisingly natural. Pricing starts at $125,000, significantly higher than industrial humanoids because Engineered Arts targets completely different use cases where human-like interaction is the primary value. The 2026 version demonstrates that humanoid robotics isn't just about replacing human labor, it's about creating new forms of human-machine relationships. 6. BMW humanoid robot German engineering meets AI. BMW partnered with Figure AI to deploy humanoid robots in their Spartanburg, South Carolina manufacturing plant, representing the first large-scale humanoid deployment by a major Western automaker. The BMW customized Figure O2 humanoid stands 5 feet 6 inches tall with specialized end effectors designed specifically for automotive assembly tasks. These robots handle sheet metal installation, precise parts insertion, and quality inspection in environments designed for human workers. No factory redesign required. What's revolutionary? BMW integrated the humanoids into existing production lines in under 6 weeks. Traditional industrial robots require months of installation, programming, and safety certification. Figure 02 units at BMW achieve 3x the consistency of human workers in repetitive tasks while maintaining flexibility to switch between different vehicle models on the same line. The robots work alongside human employees, not replacing them, but handling physically demanding or repetitive tasks that cause injury or fatigue. BMW reports 25% reduction in production defects and 15% improvement in cycle times for assembly stages where humanoids are deployed. Each robot costs approximately $150,000, with BMW committing to 50-plus units across multiple facilities by end of 2026. The partnership includes joint development. BMW engineers provide automotive manufacturing expertise, while Figure AI refines robot capabilities based on real production feedback. This deployment signals that humanoids are moving from experimental technology to standard manufacturing equipment. And Western automakers are racing to catch up with Chinese competitors already deploying thousands of units. 5. Atlas Boston Dynamics commercial breakthrough. Atlas is making its first live public demo at CES 2026 in Las Vegas, and this time, it's not a research project, it's a commercial product. Boston Dynamics transitioned Atlas from hydraulic to all-electric actuation, making it quieter, more efficient, and commercially viable for the first time. The robot now performs automotive parts handling at Hyundai's Georgia Eve plant, using machine learning to adapt to part variations without reprogramming. Atlas demonstrates capabilities that seemed impossible 2 years ago, grabbing oddly shaped objects, reorienting them mid-grasp, and placing them with millimeter precision, all autonomously. Hyundai acquired Boston Dynamics in 2021 and is now building a U.S. manufacturing facility capable of producing 30,000 Atlas units annually by 2028. 4. Figure 03 Conversational Humanoid Assistant. Figure AI's latest humanoid runs on their Helix Vision Language Action Model, tying perception, understanding, and movement into one seamless system. CEO Brett Adcock demonstrated Figure 03 casually handing out Christmas shirts by size, answering questions, and performing visual recognition tasks with 2 3-second response latency. The robot stands 5'6", weighs 9% less than previous versions, features soft exterior padding, and runs at speeds between 2.76 mph depending on terrain. Wireless charging through foot coils delivers 5 hours of operation per charge at 2 kW charging rates. 3. Xiaomo CATL's Battery Factory Robot. CATL deployed Xiaomo humanoids in the world's first large-scale humanoid-powered battery production line at their Henan facility. Developed by Spirit AI, Xiaomo handles high-voltage testing with over 99% connection success rates, matching skilled human workers' cycle times. The robot delivers nearly 3x the daily workload of manual labor while maintaining consistency across multiple battery models. 2. Tars Robotics Embroidery Breakthrough. On December 22, Tars Robotics demonstrated a humanoid performing hand embroidery live, threading needles using both hands and stitching logos. This task requires handling soft materials that deform constantly, precise force control, and long sequential movements previously considered impossible for automation. The company was founded February 2025 and raised $242 million within a year, demonstrating capabilities experts said were years away. 1. Vbot Robot Dog consumer AI goes mainstream. Vita Dynamics Vbot sold 1,000 units in 52 minutes at $1,368, proving consumer demand for embodied AI is real. The autonomous robot dog runs 128 TOPS of onboard AI, uses vision processing for privacy protection, and delivers 5 hours of battery life with wireless charging. Public beta testing starts January 2026 with batch delivery in March. This represents the moment embodied intelligence became something regular people actually buy.